and I'm excited to show you our newest car, which is this 1992 Nardo Grey 110 200 TDI. It's an interesting story, this one. So when we sold it, which was back in January, it didn't look anything like this. It was a completely stock utilitarian 200 TDI, with the exception of being refinished in Nardo Grey. So it didn't have any of the accessories that you see here today. It had a white Alpine roof, white Wolf wheels with the BF Goodrich tyres, but none of the other accessories you see. We'll put a photo up in the video of what it used to look like to give you guys an idea. How this all happened was we did a light cosmetic, or I say light, we did a pretty intensive body restoration to the car late last year, and someone saw it, liked it, but it wasn't as mean as they wanted. So we set about working with the client to build something that's got a bit of stance, and it works really well in Pennsylvania, in Easton, where we are today. So I'll give you a little tour around, show you some cool features, and then we'll take it for a drive. Okay, we'll now go through some of the detail of the accessories that really makes this vehicle stand apart. So to begin with, we've got a custom built heavy duty winch bumper with recessed LED daytime running lights. Really sturdy piece of kit with a Raptor texture, really gives it a unique look. That's then complemented with the KBX grille, which is all contrasting with the black gloss roof and black wheel arches, and complemented with a full amber red clear LED light kit. And if we come around to the wheels, we've got gloss black sawtooth with factory Land Rover center caps, also contrasting with the wings, and then TD5 LED repeaters. So it all ties in very nicely. We've then got a full length tubular step, which provides access for both rear and front row occupants, and then a completely non-modular tubular roof rack, which is quite unique because most of them come modular, so you build them up, but this one's a complete one-piece kit. Okay, moving on to the interior of the vehicle. This brief was simple. It was all about durability, so we've kept it clean and simple. We've got black leatherette seats with contrasted white stitching and perforated centers, matching cubby box, black carpet throughout, synthetic suede headliner, and then in terms of technology, we've got a Sony, I'm going to say it's an 8-inch head unit, don't hold me to that, which has got Android, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, DAB radio. It's really clean. I think it's probably the only head unit, in my opinion, that works with this generation of dash, because it keeps everything at the same level in terms of eye height, which is nice. And then it's got 2 speakers under the dash, as the original ones would have. Should we show you around the back? Okay, moving on to the second row, we have black leatherette seats to match the front. Same again, white stitching, perforated centers, premium carpet kit with removable second row floor. There we go.
Check out this vehicle at CuratedOVR LND.com.